Hello, my little friends. Today we are going to learn 20 amazing animals. Can you say hello? Good job. Let's begin. Dog. Look, it's a dog. Dog says woof woof. Can you bark like a dog? Woof woof. Cat. This is a cute cat. Cat says meow meow. Let's meow together. Meow. Cow. See the big cow on the farm. Cow says moo moo. Moo. Very good. Sheep. Fluffy sheep. Sheep says ba ba. So soft and so white. Horse. Fast horse running. Horse says neigh. Let's run like a horse. Go, go, go. Lion. King of the jungle. Lion says roar. Show me your big roar. Roar. Tiger. Strong tiger. Tiger says grrr. So powerful. Wow. Elephant. Big elephant. Elephant says trumpet. Look at the loon trunk. Swing, swing. Giraffe. Tall giraffe. So long, so high. Can you stretch like a giraffe? Oop. Bear. Fuzzy bear. Bear says growl. Bear loves honey. Yum, yum. Monkey. Funny monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's jump like a monkey. Boing, boing. Fox. Smart fox. Running in the forest. So fast. Whoosh. Panda. Cute panda. Munch, munch, bamboo. Sue. Adorable. Koala. Sleepy koala. Resting on the tree. Shh. Good night, koala. Kangaroo. Kangaroo jumping. Boing. Boing. Jump with me. Frog. Little frog. Croak, croak. Jump in the pond. Splash. Rabbit. White rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. So fast. Catch the bunny. Penguin. Penguin walking. Waddle, waddle. So cute on the ice. Duck. Yellow duck. Quack, quack. Swim in the water. Splash, splash. Owl. Wise owl. Hoot, hoot. Good night, owl. Woo! You learned so many animals today. Clap for yourself. See you in the next learning video. Bye-bye, friends.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel